click the icon, opening window, software information. This is the serial number 887 and K594 is the same one. This software has already installed. Let's start Roadmaster. Three windows. This is the input window, result window, and summary printout window. Input window, initial. Yes. You can enter the initial information, date, title, for example, Oshima, ship's name. Lightweight is fixed, but you can modify the constant.
Okay.
Click here. When added, 100 ton. Close. It's 100 ton added.
Okay.
If you restore, click here. Restore the default. Close. Restore.
Okay.
See condition, you can select ocean or import here. SG, you can modify here. Freeboard table, two types of freeboard, original or less than 50,000.
Okay.
And you can select all the border line. If you change it, max displacement and max drop is changed automatically.
Okay.
For the demonstration, we set the summer. Edit max loadable percentage for tanks. You can edit the max loadable percent. Yes, for these tanks. For example, at FOT tab, when I enter the 100%, it's automatically cut to 96 because we set the 96.
Okay.
You can modify here also. Switch calibration mode. You can switch calibration mode, old level calculation or manual. If you change it, all calibration mode is changed at once, like this. And of course, you can change one by one. Old.
Auto.
Yes, and if you click the above tab, old, change upwards. And usual alteration, old level calculation is okay. Next, CH, cargo hold. First, click kind tab and select cargo kind. Grain or packed cargo, general cargo, cement, and others. Next, storage factor or specific gravity. For example, for grain, 42. SG is automatically calculated. You can modify one by one also. Max weight, and you can input the quantity, weight, volume, percentage, 100%, loading image like this. And when you click the percentage tab, enter max volume, empty on. If you set the percentage 50, it's half loading. And when you select the grain, you can select the trimmed or untrimmed here. And result window, grain stability is calculated. So when you select the other kind, no calculated, of course.
Yes.
Yes. FOT tab, the function is almost same as cargo hold. DOT, fresh water and drinking water. The blast water tank. This vessel has a floatable hull. Number 3. And number 2 and number 4 can be used as a floatable hull, only import. So now we cannot input because full. So if I make the empty number 3 cargo, enter like this. About 2 and 4, cargo hold empty, and in it tab, the condition change to import. And input. Okay. Others is a gray water tank. is a result window. Loading image is a picture. Trim and heal. You can check here. For example, I want to enter 100% to stable side. Heal become plus. And both side, of course, minus.
Okay.
Longitudinal strings graph, value graph, percentage graph. You can get the summary here. Intact stability for general calculation, intact stability for weather calculation, air draft and visibility. Okay. Damage stability. This graph means right side is an acceptable zone,
Yeah.
left side is not acceptable. And wet close is a current condition. So when I change to the inertial moment to max, the point moves to the left and judgment became unacceptable. When unacceptable, click check button. You can check the error message here. Allowable GOM exceeded. And this red one is the error point. So when I restored, judgment become acceptable. Check current condition is acceptable. Grain stability is already explained. Longitudinal strength at flattening condition. You can check the summary of longitudinal strengths that each hole flooded,
Yes.
damaged. You can check the graph. It's the value graph, percentage graph, and you can print across each hole same.
So there's one. Okay.
Allowable mass of cargo. You can check the limitation of cargo weight. Two checking system, single hole checking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue is a maximum weight, the minimum weight, the current weight. So current weight is between them, then number 5 hole, this judgment is okay.
Yes.
So you can print and close. And 2 holes judgment, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and 4 and 5. The same one. Print and close.
How about this between, what do you mean, this allowable mass and the another one?
Allowable mass.
Allowable mass.
Allowable.
Yeah, in between. Hold, forget. Go back, hold diagram number 1. That is allowable cargo mass.
Cargo, yes.
Yeah, and then another one is hold number.
This is 2 holes. 1 and 2.
Yeah, yes, I got it.
Okay.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Yeah, for now.
Okay, I got it.
So, the summary window, you can check the calibration result and print report. Please select the report you want to print and print. This 6230 is this printer,
Okay.
and you can make a PDF also here. You can check the preview also. This menu bar, file, create new. All calculation is cleared. You can make new condition. Open approval test condition. This 5 condition is already approved by class. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
You can open here. Print function. If you want to save the condition, click save condition and name it, for example, test, save. And open condition, check, and open. So where the condition is saved, LC documents, OEC Loadmaster, condition folder is here.
Okay.
And you can copy it here also, like this.
And make another.
And it's reflected. Open. It's copied.
Okay. This is
And if you delete the condition, click the condition you want to delete. Click here. It's deleted.
okay.
Print function is same as this one. Standard view. These windows can be moved. Click here. Is restored. General cargo. At cargo hole, when you select the general cargo, you cannot enter directory. Please use this tab. So select the whole.
Each one.
Yes, and the item description, for example, coil. Aft and fore are to be measured from the aft bulkhead. So 0, 4, 10. From here to 10. Breezy from the tank top. 5, 1000. Like this.
Okay.
And coil. Coil 2. 11, 20, 5, 1000. Like this. From 11, 20.
Okay.
Click apply. Change the weight 2000. And loading image became like this.
Okay.
So if you want to remove, click here. Okay. Apply. Let's remove it. Okay.
Stop now. And then another video.